The Honda Monkey 125cc is a compact, retro-styled motorcycle that pays homage to the iconic Honda Monkey bikes of the 1960s. Here are the full details of the Honda Monkey 125cc. Engine. The Honda Monkey 125cc is powered by a 125cc air-cooled, SOHC single-cylinder engine that produces around 9.3 horsepower and 8.1 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Design. The Honda Monkey 125cc features a classic mini bike design with a small frame, round headlight, and high-rise handlebars. It has a retro-inspired color scheme, chrome accents, and a comfortable, padded seat. Features. The Honda Monkey 125cc comes equipped with modern features such as LED lighting, LCD instrumentation, a fuel injection system, and ABS brakes. It also has a small storage compartment under the seat. Suspension. The Honda Monkey 125cc features a telescopic fork front suspension and twin-shock rear suspension, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. Wheels and tires. The Honda Monkey 125cc rides on 12-inch wheels with chunky tires, giving it a nimble and agile feel on the road. Weight and dimensions. The Honda Monkey 125cc has a curb weight of around 231 pounds and dimensions of 67.3 inches in length, 29.7 inches in width, and 41.3 inches in height. It has a seat height of 30.5 inches. Price. The Honda Monkey 125cc has a starting price of around $4,199. Making it an affordable and fun choice for riders looking for a unique and retro-inspired motorcycle. Overall, the Honda Monkey 125cc is a stylish and fun bike that offers a unique riding experience with its compact size, retro design, and modern features. The changes on the mini bike are not just limited to cosmetic updates but also mechanical. The 2022 Monkey 125 now features a new engine, a new transmission, a new suspension setup and a new paint scheme. It is priced at Euro 3,899, which converts to 3.46 lakh rupees. While the arrival of the Monkey 125 in the Indian market seems highly unlikely, let's take a look at the details of the same. Engine. Powering the 2022 iteration of the Monkey is a 124cc air-cooled PGM Euro 5 engine that delivers 9.25 bhp at 6,750 revolutions per minute and 11 Nm at 5,500 revolutions per minute. It uses a new 5-speed gearbox to transmit power to its wheels. This engine and gearbox combination lends the Monkey 125 a top speed of 91 km/h. Design. The Monkey 125 gets a compact design. It comes with a multicolor combination, body-colored forks at the front, an exhaust with a metal cover on its sides, a chrome mudguard and a single rider seat. It also carries a circular theme for a few equipment like the headlamp, taillight, indicators, instrument cluster and mirrors. The mini bike is 1,710 mm in length, stands 1,030 mm tall and is 755 mm wide. The seat height here is kept at 775 mm, which makes it easier to ride for shorter riders. The lowest distance to the ground is 175 mm. Meanwhile, the curb weight of the Monkey 125 is 104 kg. Features. As it is a mini bike, it comes equipped with limited features like an LED headlamp, LCD instrument cluster, and LED taillight, answer back system, ABS and IMU control that reduces the rear wheel lift under braking. Hardware. The suspension duty is handled by USD forks at the front and a twin shock absorber at the rear. Meanwhile, for braking, it employs a 220 mm disc at the front and a 190 mm disc at the rear assisted by IMU-based ABS. The small motorcycle rides on 12-inch wheels. These wheels are wrapped with tires having 120 mm width at the front and 130 mm width at the rear. Colors. In the European market, the 2022 model of the Monkey 125 is available in 3 new color schemes.